everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel, and today is Crafting on a Budget Mother's Day Craft Ideas YouTube hop. And you guys, look at this amazing digital. Oh my gosh, this lace is amazing. You guys, you honestly don't have to add more to, well, for me, you don't have to add more for this digital than what it already is. Okay, and of course this is a digital that will be sold on Sandis Decorate Your Life store, and this is a digital that's also called Vintage Shabby by Anna for Decorate Your Life. So this was actually a design by Anna that was made for Sandy Decorate Your Life, and she wanted to make sure Anna got the credit for this amazing digital. And look at you guys, it looks so realistic, so realistic. So anyways, like I said, it's gonna be in her shop, and see, this is how simple it is. I had this die, make it into a little baggie, and all I did was just put a cute little flower on there, and that's it, you guys. It is just an amazing little cute project that you don't have to add much to it. And of course, it's part of crafting on a budget, and it's very inexpensive. I also had this die, and I went ahead and just put another flower here, and this is what it looks like. And look at this, look, these buttons look so realistic, you guys, so realistic. It's so cute, and I love the music notes on here. That is the cutest thing ever. And let me show you. I have this one right here. Okay, and of course Sandy's digitals are not expensive, you guys. If you guys are interested, we are also having or hosting a giveaway. So one lucky winner will win on my channel a digital from this digital from Sandy Decorate Your Life. So if you guys are interested, just make sure you put the phrase loving it. I think that's the best way to do it. Somewhere in a sentence, say loving it, and you guys will be entered into the digital giveaway, and that will end actually Friday the 29th. So you guys make sure you enter it. So this actually goes in here, and look at you guys, how cute. Isn't he so cute? Anyways, so I had this wooden little frame. It's a little box that my mama gave me, and I figured I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. Okay, you guys could see on the sides, put some lace, some trim around the lace right here, and very inexpensive, and it's a budget friendly idea, I believe, and I think it's so cute. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. I do recommend that you guys go to everybody's channels on this hop. There is another amazing grand prize on here, not on my channel but on somebody else's. So I do recommend that you guys watch everybody and you go over check everybody else out. I am followed on from my hop by Linda Bowen, so I will link her down on the description below. I will link everybody else that is on this hop down on the description as well, and I will also link Sandy's store, her Facebook group, and her YouTube channel, so you guys could of course follow along. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.